In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to send a newsletter in Activecampaign. Whether you're brand new to the platform or you just need a quick refresher, this guide will make the entire process simple and easy to follow. By the end, you'll feel confident creating and sending newsletters that keep your audience engaged and informed. Let's get started by opening your web browser and heading over to the Activecampaign website. Once you're there, click on the login button and enter your account name and credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your dashboard, which is the main hub where all your tools and campaigns are organized. From here, look for the Campaigns option, commonly found in the top menu or sidebar. Click on it to view your existing campaigns and to begin creating a new one. To start a fresh newsletter, click Create a Campaign. Activecampaign will ask you to choose the type of campaign you want. For newsletters, a regular campaign is usually the best option. Go ahead and select it. Next, you'll need to give your campaign a name. Choose something simple and descriptive so you can easily identify it later. After naming your campaign, the platform will prompt you to enter a subject line. Since this is the first thing your subscribers see, take a moment to write something clear and engaging that encourages them to open your email. Once your subject line is ready, it's time to design your newsletter. Click Create with Email Designer to open the editor. Activecampaign offers a variety of templates that make designing your newsletter much quicker. Browse through the options, select a template that fits your message, and then click Select. With your template loaded, you can now customize the layout, update the text, add your images, and adjust colors to match your brand. Take your time making sure everything feels clean and easy to read. When you're happy with the design, click Next to move forward. Now, it's time to select your audience. Choose the list or list you want to send your newsletter to. This step determines exactly who will receive your message, so double check that you've selected the correct subscribers. After that, review your mailing address information to ensure it is accurate and complete. Once everything is set, you're ready for the final step. Click Send now to deliver your newsletter to your audience. Activecampaign will handle the rest, sending your message directly to your subscribers' inboxes. And that's all it takes to send an Activecampaign newsletter. Using this process helps you stay consistent, build stronger connections, and keep your audience up to date with everything you have to share. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough makes your email marketing even easier.